Good evening, guys. Today, welcome back to Kuwait Indian Vlog. Today, we will see the ship garage in Salmiya, where all these steamers, which are very famous in sea waters of Kuwait, you can just see. These are some of the luxurious steamers where it's been parked in the shipyard for servicing. These boats have a very luxurious 5-star setting inside. I will show you that in the next video. And these are some of the fastest boats available in the seawater. So in each boat, the capacity of almost 60 people can accommodate, and these are also used for fishing by some rich Arabs. They go into the sea, in the middle of the sea, for fishing because their hobbies is fishing also. So let's see the different boats which are being parked. So you can see a wide range view, so you can see all how it looks. And you can see a very good view of the buildings in the night. They look very beautiful. And let us go on the other side of the boats where they are parked different varieties of steamers. It is very colorful in the night, this area. Most of the tourists are putting food for the fish because the backwater has too many fishes and other life forms. So let us move towards the other part of the shipyard. Even servicing of the ships and patrolling is also done here. So these are another type of small boats which is available. These can be rented also from there is a stall near to the seaside, so there you can just hire a boat with the captain and a cleaner, so you can take it for a 1 day ride into the sea. And it's too hot here, so let's see a view. This is a parking lot for boats, same like our car parking. You can see now. I'll just show you. So the lights are indicating the places, and this is all already booked by some rich Kuwaitis. So it's all reserved park for them. So they are parking, nobody can use again. There are almost more than 10,000 boats, and you can see the water also. The water is too deep, and swimming is not allowed here, and even fishing is not allowed. So you can see the pathway lights. And the view of the lights is very beautiful. And you can see it's all actually in the morning almost all the boats would be taken out for going into the sea, and mostly on Fridays you can see all the boats into the water. Normal days it will be always in parked places, so it is really nice view. If you come to Kuwait, you need to visit this place, and it is very beautiful to look in the night. Especially in the morning it is like normal, but night times it is very nice. See, the people are walking around after servicing the boats. They are going. These are the people who take care of the cleaning and refueling everything. So see, this boat is coming from the sea into the boating yard. so they will keep it in their parking lot. So you can see it. It's really fantastic journey going into the sea, and the water is too cold. The wind breeze is very rich. Thank you guys for watching. Keep subscribing and liking the videos. Thank you guys.